Hawks are some of the most powerful birds in the sky. These birds of prey are known for their sharp eyesight, strong talons, and skill in hunting. In North America, one of the most common and well-known hawks is the red-tailed hawk. People often see them perched on fence posts, telephone poles, or soaring high in the air. Because they are such impressive hunters, many people wonder, how much weight can a hawk actually carry? The answer depends on the type of hawk, but if we focus on the red-tailed hawk, we can get a clear idea. This bird usually weighs around 2 to 3 pounds. Females are bigger than males, which is common in birds of prey. That means some females can weigh a little over 3 pounds. Even though that may sound light, hawks are strong for their size, but strength has limits, especially when it comes to flying. In general, a red-tailed hawk can carry prey that weighs about half its own body weight. For example, if a hawk weighs 2.5 pounds, it can comfortably lift and fly with prey that weighs around 1 to 1.2 pounds. That's about the size of a small rabbit, a squirrel, or a large rat. Sometimes hawks may grab prey close to their full body weight, but carrying it in the air is very difficult. Flying takes a lot of energy, and carrying heavy prey makes it even harder. So while it might be possible for a hawk to lift something close to its weight, it usually chooses prey that is smaller and easier to manage. This helps the hawk save energy and ensures it can still fly safely back to its perch or nest. A hawk's most important weapon is its talons, which are its sharp, curved claws. The red-tailed hawk has extremely powerful talons for grabbing and holding prey. Scientists measure this power in pounds per square inch, PSI. A red-tailed hawk can grip with a force of about 100 to 150 psi and sometimes even up to 200 psi. To compare, the average human hand has a grip strength of only 20 to 30 psi. That means a hawk's grip is several times stronger than ours. This incredible grip strength allows the hawk to catch animals that struggle to escape, such as rabbits or squirrels. Once the talons close around the prey, it is almost impossible for the animal to get free. The talons also help the hawk kill its prey quickly. This combination of sharp claws and powerful leg muscles makes the hawk one of the top predators in the sky. Hawks are also strong in the air. One impressive skill is something called kiting. This is when a hawk stays in one place in the sky, almost like hovering. Unlike smaller birds such as kestrels, hawks don't flap their wings quickly to hover. Instead, they use the wind and rising warm air, called thermals, to hold their position. When kiting, a red-tailed hawk spreads its wide wings and adjusts its feathers to balance perfectly against the wind. This lets the bird float in one spot while scanning the ground for prey. Kiting is very energy efficient because the hawk does not need to flap its wings much. This shows how strong and skillful the hawk's wings are. It can remain almost motionless in the air while waiting for the right moment to dive down on its prey. Strength is not only about muscles. Hawks also show strength through their intelligence. Red-tailed hawks are known to be smart birds that can solve problems and change their hunting style based on the situation. They may soar high in the sky, perch quietly in a tree, or kite against the wind. This flexibility helps them survive in many different environments, from rural fields to busy cities. Hawks also use sounds and body language to communicate with each other. They defend their territories and warn other hawks with loud calls. Their ability to learn, adapt, and strategize is just as important as their physical strength. Another area where hawks are incredibly strong is their vision. The eyesight of a red-tailed hawk is several times sharper than that of a human. They can see tiny movements from far away, such as a mouse running through the grass or a rabbit hiding in bushes. This sharp vision gives them a huge advantage as hunters. A hawk can sit quietly, watching and waiting until the perfect moment arrives. Then it swoops down with speed and precision. This ability to spot prey from a distance shows that strength isn't only about muscles, it's also about senses that help them survive. The red-tailed hawk may not be able to carry off very large animals, but for its size, it is incredibly strong. Most of the time, it carries prey weighing around 1 pound, though it can attempt heavier catches. Its talons give it one of the strongest grips among birds of prey. Its wings let it kite and soar for long periods without tiring. Its intelligence makes it an adaptable hunter, and its eyesight is so sharp that it can notice the smallest movement from high in the air. In short, the red-tailed hawk is powerful in many ways, through physical strength, flight skills, problem-solving, and vision. Even though it weighs just a few pounds, it is one of the most effective hunters in the animal world.